Asahi-Seiki makes high-precision metal components, small arms, ammunition, industrial machines such as press machines and spring-forming machines, and airplane parts. Asahi Okuma Arms Company Limited was established as a manufacturer of small arms ammunition. It was the beginning of our history in Aichi Prefecture, the heart of Japanese manufacturing. In 1957, we received orders from the Japanese Defense Agency, currently the Ministry of Defense, for small arms ammunition. In 1958, amidst policy efforts by the Japanese government to promote the machinery industry, we started manufacturing automatic continuous presses. In 1961, we changed our name from Asahi Okuma Arms to Asahi-Seiki Manufacturing. Shares of our company were listed on the Nagoya Stock Exchange. We started manufacturing spring forming machines in 1969 and automatic assembling machines and custom machines in 1971. 1973 marked our full-scale start for manufacturing of precision metal components. In 1979, we started fabrication of airplane parts. Today, the advanced production technology which we accumulated from our original business of small arms ammunition manufacturing is applied to the manufacturing of precision metal components and industrial machines. A major strength of Asahi-Seiki is that we possess systems for the manufacturing of precision metal components and the manufacturing of industrial machines. We fuse the respective technologies and ideas to fulfill a wide range of requirements. This is the true advantage of Asahi-Seiki. In the field of precision metal components manufacturing, we produce various press parts with a focus on Asahi-Seiki's core technology of deep drawing. Our production system is fully equipped with manufacturing facilities to produce the desired quantity of parts. Our strict production management system enables us to provide products with uniform, high quality. In 1979, we developed computer-controlled spring-forming machines for the machine manufacturing field. We develop and manufacture press machines with a focus on our transfer press, versatile machines capable of supporting various fabrication processes. Our research and development department was established when it separated from the machinery division. In addition to researching machine strength and rigidity, and tooling simulation technology in metal fabrication, the section is engaged in collecting information on developing new businesses and new markets, and surveying new technologies. Asahi-Seiki's commitment to excellent and comprehensive corporate ability in manufacturing are evidenced by how we acquired ISO 9001 certification and ISO 14001 certification. We are expanding our sales network in regions such as Asia, North America, and Europe. Asahi-Seiki is striving to make a further leap forward as a manufacturing corporation. From automobiles to air conditioning equipment, Asahi-Seiki's technologies are used in various products that are essential in our daily lives. Through our sincere commitment to manufacturing and our spirit of constantly taking on new challenges, Asahi-Seiki continues to support manufacturing in Japan and throughout the world.